Welcome to Longo Toyota. This month we are celebrating Guest Appreciation Days. We appreciate our guests every day, and we want to say thank you to the generations of guests who have purchased vehicles, parts, and accessories from us and entrusted us with your service. This month, our friendly team is reaffirming our goal to provide the very best experience in the auto industry. We are committed to respecting your time, making it easy to shop, purchase, or service with us. Check out our all-new, completely redesigned Longo Toyota Showroom and 626 custom shops. Find the best selection of Toyota vehicles in the world, including popular models like the all-new 4Runner, Camry Hybrid, RAV4, and Tacoma. And interest rates have recently come down and are at their lowest point in years. It's truly a great time to buy a Toyota. I invite you to Longo Toyota during our Guest Appreciation Days and hope to see you soon.